Yeah. Feels a little loose. It's just the beginning. We are back, my friends, once again. Roll with me to the top of El Salto Waterfall in Quepos, Costa Rica. I'm gonna do some new shit. 5.5 years ago when I got here, I didn't do these kind of things. As you can see, watch, I'm smoking cigarettes at the beginning and all this stuff. I don't smoke cigarettes anymore, friends. That's good to see. But also, this type of terrain I don't see every day. And I don't have glasses.
Oh yeah. Damn it, Dean.
Live life dangerously. Who needs to see? Yeah, if you heard my girl Mel back there. Confirming pretty much smoking cigarettes and thinking I don't need 2 clear eyes to go on this journey. Friends, let me tell you something. Especially the ones of the melanin-colored community. We don't do this on a regular basis. Be more prepared than I was. It was fine. I did good. But looking at this terrain seems very, very normal on camera. But in real life, guys, it is tricky. It's slippery. It's wet. The kind of girl, what is her name? But seriously, if the wrong step, you can fall. You grab the wrong thing, there are bristles or little stick things that stick you in your hand or your foot. The terrain is not as flat as it looks. And as you can see, we're about to cross through water and slippery rocks. All these things. And at the end, you'll see what kind of bitch I am and how long it took for me to jump off of that rock. Now, sitting on top of that rock, we'll talk about it. But for now, please like, share, subscribe, comment below if you so choose. Tell a friend, drop information. Have you been here before? What's the easier way to get in, from the top or from the bottom? Because there are 2 ways to go to this location. It is not easily accessible. It's about a 40-minute hike in. Get your socks wet.
Yeah, I can get through here unless you want to jump over. There's like a path there.
Shout out to you, Joe, with the direction. Joe upon the point. Way to run it, my guy. I hate wet socks, by the way, so I was saying that sarcastically. Here in a hiking situation, I don't mind, but riding around in the rain on a motorcycle, it's one of my hugest pet peeves. But that's not important right now. What's important is, after being locked down in COVID, me living in the United States, doing things totally different, I hit my pivot, and this was one of the first experiences trying new things in a different country. I don't hike much, or I didn't in Florida. If I did, it wasn't like this. And I did not jump off rocks or cliffs or anything like that. That wasn't my style. But coming here, I was just like, try new things. And absolutely, I don't regret it. And if you see on another video short, I actually jumped off of a higher rock. And it didn't take nearly as long because of this one experience. So in life, you always get a little scared. You always get fearful of challenges. But you don't let that stop you. You keep doing what you want. Don't let anybody talk you into it or out of it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. If you do want to do it, and don't let anyone stop you. Of course, have it make some sense. Got my staff. What are we talking about here? Slippery rock coming up. So I staff it up. Now you can tell from my jerk chicken video how much weight your boy lost in all this time. A lot of it has to do with the lifestyle, but a lot of it also had to do with sickness.
GoPro power off.
Is it getting to him? Look like it's getting to me, man. Tranquilo, Dean. Pura vida, bro. Relax. Enjoy it. I'm getting frustrated, but we're getting closer and closer to the top, as you see. So enjoy the rest of the video. Sit and watch in contemplation as I have my whole life go by me. I'm just thinking all kinds of worst case scenarios. Me hitting my head and falling into the water unconscious and dying like a black man shouldn't. But you guys, please keep watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that if you can. And enjoy the rest of the video.
GoPro power off. Alright, so we've either made it or we got more to go. Not really sure. I'm gonna say it's the end, but I'm not going any further if there's more. This is gorgeous. Dope. I don't bust my ass. Even dogs made it on this journey. Alright, I'll wait till I get down there. GoPro power off.
Alright, a little top view of the rock or the cliff or the little waterfall that they have. Rolling with the crew, John. Okay, we also have Mel, Joe. Who else in there I see? I see my dog Ian Shins. Big up to you, Ian. I know that's not your last name, but it is now. And of course we have Karencita, lovely Karen. Good group of people. And the ex-military Cooper. Shout out to you, man. So helpful to me, my man. He gave me an iPhone 6 when mine went bad. You really, really helped me out. So I appreciate you, brother. And I appreciate all of you guys. Haven't seen you in a while, but that's what it is when you travel. And you link up with a crew, you roll with them for a while, and then you break off into your separate ways and continue life's journey. These dogs also made that roll with us, which was cool.
Hey, Brownie. How long ago did it take you to get here? You just chilling? I'll make sure everything is out of my pockets. Am I jumping? Hell no. Pura vida, baby. All right, I gotta remember to hold on to this. Oh, hell no. I'm not gonna hit my head, right? Well, if I don't make it, family, this is how I went out. Sorry, I was doing shit. Got one life. Pura vida. Hey, shit. So this is all I see. I see myself hitting my head on these rocks, and then being unconscious, and then drowning slowly to my death. This is what I'm looking at here. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Pura vida, bitches! Well, did that. And the water feels great. Like I'm gonna be chilling here for a minute. Think? All right. I kind of just made sure I could clear the rocks, and then after I saw that, I was good. All right, did that. Pura vida. Oh, it's cold. Ah, no.
There you have it, Dunnies. And don't forget, don't be scared. Even though it's okay to be scared, don't be scared. And always, try new things, friends. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.
Ian?
What?
Little cutie.
Details.
Oh yeah, can't see.
Oh.
Where did they come from?